Hi, today I'm going to test run corn oil in my diesel generator. This is a standard corn oil off the shelf in my local store, and I'm going to see if my diesel generator runs on it, and I'm going to compare how much energy I get from the corn oil compared to diesel fuel. I will fill in 0.5 liters and run that. In the pipe system there is rapeseed oil from the last run, but rapeseed oil works just as fine as diesel. And I always forget to put the lever in run position. So with the lever in the run position it will start even if the battery is a little bit bad. So there we're up and running. Now we're gonna turn on the power and zero set my kilowatt hour meter, and there the power is on. I have now zero set the meter, and the heat is starting to come from my heater, so it seems to be working good. I have now consumed about 0.1 liter, and no movement here yet. Here it's switched to 1. When running on the corn oil it smells a little bit like popcorn. I can also see that the voltmeter is not as stable as in the diesel fuel. And we have now got 0.2 kilowatt hours, and here we speed it up a little bit. You can see how the oil is consumed. There is now about 0.1 liter of corn oil left, so we have consumed 0.4 liters. Still running really good, but with a little bit less power than the diesel fuel. So now the corn oil is more or less finished, so I will turn the power off. First we're gonna read and see. There is 0.6 kilowatt hours. We turn the power off and shut down the engine. It runs better on the rapeseed oil, but this one smells better. I will now run on diesel fuel again, just to compare. I will run 0.5 liters of diesel fuel and see how many kilowatt hours I get from this. Now when starting, it will be starting on corn oil, because there is of course some left in the fuel lines, and I also think it's time to change this battery. By holding down the decompression button I can get it to spin faster, and then it will start. I am now running on the diesel fuel, and the voltage is much more stable on diesel fuel than on corn oil. And I got 0.2 kilowatt hours. I have now consumed 0.3 liters. The voltage is stable, and I have 0.5 kilowatt hours. Now the fuel is almost finished. I got 0.7 kilowatt hours on the 0.5 liters. So I turn off the power and I turn off the... So in this test I got... So the diesel fuel gave me 1.4 kilowatt hour per liter, and I run 0.5 liters, so that is 0.7 kilowatt hours. So the cost of 1 kilowatt hour is about 17 SEK, and that is about $1.50. And the corn oil was about 39 SEK per liter and gave 1.2 kilowatt hours per liter. And the cost per kilowatt hours is $32.50 or $3.2. And that was all for today. Please subscribe on my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.